Lowercase h only, lowercase. Okay, share. Hey, Kaylin now. Share. E. E. Shell. Shell. Very good. L. Shell. Two L's because it's shell. Very good. What is that?
Red.
Red. How do you spell red?
R.
R. And then E. And then
D.
very good. How do you say that?
Red.
Very good. Now, what is this?
Bus.
How do you spell bus?
B.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, help
B.
Help me.
After B.
B.
Mm-hmm. And then
S.
Okay. How do you read that?
Bus.
Very good. Bus. Very good. Now, this one. What is this one?
Fish.
Fish. How do you spell fish? What's the starting letter?
This is A.
Three. So lowercase. Fish. Hey, Kaylee, it's dirty.
Just like shell.
Yes, just like shell. Shh. So,
This one.
Fish.
S. Very good. S and H. Lowercase, okay? Not uppercase. Lowercase s. Lowercase s. And then lowercase.
H.
Very good. Lowercase h. How do you read that?
Fish.
Very good.
I didn't know it has no truck or something.
I'll help you.